Hello viewers, I am Dr. Shaileshkumar, City Vascular Hospital, Hyderabad. So today we will discuss a very common question lot of patients of varicose veins might be having. So that is, do compression stockings prevent or help the varicose veins? So the answer to this question is yes, no, yes, no. So the answer is not straightforward. So before that we need to understand what are veins, how they function, what are veins disease, and what are stockings, compression stockings. So veins are the one which pumps the blood from your legs, from the rest of the body, the impure blood, the deoxygenated blood back to the heart and lungs for the purification. So varicose veins, we all know that the 99% they develop in the legs, and that is because of the failure of these veins. So veins has to pump from down in your legs back to the heart for purification. So their job is very difficult because they have to pump the blood against the gravity in the upward direction. So there are walls in these veins, they push the blood in only one direction in the upward. So those patients who are having long standing profession or long sitting profession or sedentary lifestyle or family history of these varicose veins, these walls in the veins, they fail over a period of time, and slowly the blood which has to go from down to up, it gets collected in that location, and slowly the venous pressure in the veins increase, and as the pressure increases, the veins dilated, the walls which were closely approximating before, they slowly move away, and there is lot of blood which is leaking down, and the pressure increases and the varicose veins develop. So this is how the varicose veins or the vein disease develops. That is, we call it as venous insufficiency in medical terminology. So these varicose veins, what are the symptoms? Like the patients feel heaviness, aching, there will be swelling in the leg, there are a lot of pain and muscle cramps. Some in the later stage the patients develop pigmentation or discoloration of the leg, and this all specially develops after their long standing profession or towards the end of the disease in the evening. So these are the typical symptoms of this varicose veins. So now what are stockings going to do, or how the stockings going to help? So the role of the stockings is to put the pressure on the superficial veins under the skin and not letting the blood to leak in these veins and reduce the symptoms of these varicose veins. So these stockings will work as long as you wear them. They help you prevent the symptoms and signs of the varicose veins. So definitely the stockings we prescribe for the patient who are having varicose veins and also the varicose veins ulcer. And we have seen and that lot of patients who are with the varicose veins ulcer, they heal nicely, these ulcers heals nicely, and also there is symptomatic relief, the aching, the swelling, the pain, the heaviness, that also goes off. So the varicose veins helps in both these symptoms improvement as well as the ulcers. But the important thing is we need to understand that stockings are not going to cure or treat the varicose veins. These are the temporary solutions to prevent the symptoms, to stop the symptoms, to cure the symptoms of the varicose veins. But actually the venous disease, the wall function which has hampered because of the varicose veins, that is not going to be cured with these stockings. So to be effective, it only controls or reduce your symptoms, but the disease continues to progress and you continues to have the advanced disease. If not now, you may require a definitive treatment. But definitely lot of patients ask, does this varicose veins avoid or prevent the need for the varicose vein surgery? Fortunately at City Vascular Hospital we have most options for the varicose veins treatment, and that too without surgery. We have the new technology and more modern treatments like VenaSeal, laser treatment, radio frequency ablation, and foam sclerotherapy for this varicose veins, which has a success rate of more than 95%, with almost zero downtime. So you can imagine when there are so many treatment options for the varicose veins, so there's no need for the surgery. So definitely stockings can help your symptoms reduction. It can help to regain to certain extent the venous ulcers and all. But what is the best option for you? You can visit and learn more at our City Vascular Hospital, www.cityvascularcenter.com. Thank you. హలో వ్యూవర్స్, మన సిటీ వాస్కులర్ సెంటర్లో మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్ అయి ఉండి అఫోర్డ్ చేయని పేషెంట్కు మనం ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ఒక ఫ్రీ సర్జరీ చేస్తున్నాము. సో మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఉన్న స్క్రీన్ షాట్ని కింద ఇచ్చిన వాట్సాప్ నంబర్కి షేర్